What's going on, superstars? Marquis, Mr. Fuel, checking in, your favorite entrepreneur accelerator. And I wanted to talk about a way that you can actually make money with OPM. If you've never heard of OPM before, it simply stands for other people's money. A really cool way to do that is actually drop shipping. Now, a lot of people haven't heard of drop shipping before, so let me just explain it really quick. Drop shipping is simply when a customer purchases from a supplier or retailer, Walmart, Target, what have you. Now, instead of them purchasing it directly from the supplier, they purchase it through your store first, okay? Now, when this happens, the customer purchases from your store, your website, right? Your phone, your laptop. You will now purchase it from the supplier, and you can ship that directly to the customer. Now, let me tell you where OPM comes in, all right? And like I said in the beginning, OPM. OPM simply stands for other people's money, okay? OPM. So what that means is the customer spends money to purchase from your store. You can actually take that money and purchase the item from the supplier at a cheaper rate. Now you can ship that item directly to the customer, and if you want, you could even charge them money for shipping. So now profit is made both from the difference of the product and on the shipping item. So why does this make sense? You never own any inventory whatsoever, and I really hope that sinks in. You never own any inventory, and you never spent your own money. You simply took their money, you know what product they want, you purchased their product, you had it shipped directly to the customer. This is a really, really simple and cool way to make money without using your own money. I really hope that makes sense, and I actually hope that you apply it. If you want to hear more information and you want to learn how you can get involved with drop shipping, maybe even leverage the education and technology that I leverage to become profitable, all you have to do is click on the link below. Make sure you subscribe so you can stay notified on more videos. And I'll just see you at the bank or the beach. You be blessed.